Right, 4.2.2, 4.2.3. I think we'll do those two together in this video. I don't really want to spend too much time on 4.2.2. I think that it is quite similar to 4.2.1. So if you are confused about some of the things that we'll deal with, then go look back at the previous video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share. Okay, let's go on. So we are dealing with sine over here. This inside the bracket is actually a reduction. Okay, 180 plus. You should know how to deal with that. So let's deal with that first. So we'll have sine 180 plus. Okay, so 180 plus puts you in your third quadrant, right? So let's get your cos diagram quickly there. CAST. 180 plus is over here, so sine is negative there, so this reduces to negative sine of 2 theta equals to, so this over here, don't be confused by it, just go put it in your calculator. It's the same as here. Here's a number, put this into your calculator, it gives you a number. So don't be confused because you see that. So well, let me get my calculator out, and I'm saying tan 27.5 equals, calculator says 0, 0.52. So this is 0, 0.52. Okay, then I've got this negative thing over here, so I'm going to divide both sides with negative, making this positive and making that negative. I hope I didn't lose you there, right? Now we need to get our reference angle, so we're going to get rid of sine. Maybe I am speaking a bit fast, but I want to get through this quickly so that I can get to 4.2.3, which is really different. 4.2.2 is the same as 4.2.1. Okay, so now to get rid of sine, we're going to say arc sine. So then we'll say 2 theta, which in fact is just your reference angle. So let's write this over here. This is my reference angle. And we're going to ignore the theta over here. So we're going to say arc sine, or second function, or shift, or whatever the button is on your calculator. But we should actually say arc sine of 0.52. So our reference angle will be arc sine 0.52. 31,33 31,33 degrees. Okay, so we are dealing with sine, and we have a negative sign. Which quadrants are you in? You are in quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. Quadrant 3, that is going to be 180 plus. So we'll say 2 theta equals to 180 degrees plus your reference, which is 31,33, and we are dealing with sine, so it's plus k times 360. 360 is the period of your sine function, and you must tell me k is an element of your integers. Great, that's easy. This goes into your calculator, so 180 plus your 31.33, that is going to give you 211,33. So 211,33 degrees plus k times 360. Okay, this is 2 theta. Okay, I did mention this in the previous video, but don't manipulate here. Okay, you're only going to manipulate once you're actually in your quadrants. So now we're going to divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. If you manipulate early, you will get incorrect solutions in your quadrants. Okay, so theta equals 2, divide that by 2, 105,67 degrees plus k times 180. Right, so that is our third quadrant. Now we have a solution in our fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant, that is going to be 360 minus, so your 2 theta equals to 360 degrees minus your reference angle, which is your 31,33. Again, k times 360. Okay, and everything gets divided by 2. So I'm gonna go straight into 360 minus 33.33, 31.33 rather, and I'm going to divide this by 2 immediately. So my answer is 106, or 164 rather, 164,34 degrees plus k times 180. Great. Okay, so the only way that this was different to the previous one is we had a reduction first. after our reduction, we had to do a slight manipulation just so that sine could be your subject. So you want to get rid of the negative that was in front of it. And then what did we do? We got our reference angle by ignoring the sine, taking arcsine of that value that was over there, your reference angles there. Then we saw sine is a negative value, so that put us in quadrant 3 and 4. And then after we were in quadrant 3 and quadrant 4, we said in order to get to quadrant 3 it's 180 plus your reference angle. In order to get to quadrant 4 it was 360 minus your reference angle, and then some manipulation and then the answer. Okay, that's already 6 minutes, so I think I'm gonna do 4.2.3 in the next video.